Hello, students. This is Brother Barnes, and you're in Module 12, Population Biology and Principles of Biology 2 online. And I wanted just to show you a personal experience that I've had or noticed here locally. At my school, we have a lot of geese, and as you can see, this wing has been torn apart, torn away from the body of the goose. This one has the same problem. So, uh, I wouldn't say this is competition. This is predation. I think we have wild dogs that come on the campus and attack these geese. Once they've been attacked and their ability to fly is impaired, I don't think they will survive another attack. Well, with that being said, that doesn't sound very positive, does it? That is nature, survival of the fittest, I suppose. You are at the end of this course. You have a practice final exam to do. I would say take that a few times and study the online labs that you've done, the quizzes, and I think you're going to be ready to rock this final. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work.